Hello everyone, you're watching my channel Teacher Sneha, and in today's video we are going to solve an IGCSE past paper question based on the concept of changing the subject of the formula. This question was asked in the examination of May-June session 2021 paper 2, and this is question number 15. This question reads as 2mh is equal to g bracket 1 minus h, and the question here is make h as the subject of the formula. Whatever variable we are making the subject of the formula, that has to be on the left hand side of the equation, and the other all variables have to be shifted to the right hand side of the equation. So how are we going to make h as the subject of the formula? Here are the working steps for the same. What we will do in step number 1 is we will solve these brackets. So what we get at the end is 2mh is equal to, I'll open the bracket, g multiplies 1 is g minus g multiplies h, we get gh. After that, this entire term gh we have to shift to the left hand side of the equation. So when I shift it, I get it as 2mh plus gh is equal to g. Now why this became plus? Because this was negative gh, shifting to the other side it becomes plus. After that, you will see over here in this term 2mh, there is h variable, and there is gh in this term also, the variable h is present. We take h variable common here and factorize the expression. So on factorization, what we get here is h will come common factor, so it will be outside the bracket. Whatever is left, we'll put it inside the bracket. So inside the bracket we get 2m plus g is equal to g. Now as I told you that whatever is the subject of the formula has to be alone on the left hand side, and rest all the terms need to be moving to the right side. So this entire bracket 2m plus g, we will shift it to the other side. Since this bracket and h are multiplying with each other, when it shifts to the other side, it's going to divide. The answer that we obtain at the end is h is equal to g divided by 2m plus g in the bracket. This is how we have changed the original expression into a new expression with h as the subject of the formula. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope this video helped you to understand the method of changing the subject of the formula. For more such concept videos, stay tuned on my channel. Till then, bye bye.